Okay, guys, so I am going to be redoing this video just to upload it to the YouTube channel to make everything easier and putting the videos into one area. So this is a video on how to access their Math Pearson's website. So go ahead and first start at my school website, so Mrs. Witcher's website, and then you're going to go to the box that says Envision Math, and this is how they're going to get everything that they need for their math website. So first you're going to click on that. It's going to direct you into a new link. It's going to ask for their username and their password. Remember, their username is their first name underscore last name at myabcusd.org. I'm going to log in as one of my friends right now. And then their password needs to have a capital E, a capital S, and then the year, the month, and the date that they were born. Once you have logged in, it's going to go ahead and take you to this page. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to load the book. So what you're going to do is click on this right here where it says Pearson's Realize. And it's going to be directed to our full website. So two things that I would like to go over for you. Browse. When you click browse here, it's going to lead into all of our classroom books. But right now, the first thing I want to go over is our class assignments. So what you do is you click classes right here, and everything that I need the kids to finish or anything that I assign will be found under classes. So anytime I post a lesson, you're going to see it all right here. So for example, there's 15-3. There's 2 assignments posted under that. There is the video. It's about a 2 to 6 minute at most video of the lesson. It's interactive. It's really good for the kids to understand and to see how the math will be working for that lesson. And then the next thing is the digital quick check. That's about 5 questions, and it's a really good way for me to see how the kids are doing on the lesson that was taught. And then a lot of times it's about 5 questions. They're going to answer them, and if they score very well, it means that they understood the lesson. If they score poorly, it's really good for me to see that, and then I can just check in with your child and basically see, do I need to reteach this, or do I need to give additional help for that? So what you're going to do with each of those, I'm going to go to one that I've actually already opened under his account. I don't want to have too many open for him. Up at the top, it says not started, in progress, and completed. So I want every time that there's something on here, you never want something not started and in progress. Everything should be over in the completed box. That gives it to me and lets me know that your child has completed what I have submitted. So I kind of already started one for Brody just for showing purposes for all of you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. You're going to be able to see the video from here, and you'll see on the top the other thing that he needs to complete. So what you do is go ahead and push play. It's going to be a full video, and if you kind of like zoom in right here, these little tally marks are where the video already pauses, and it gives the kids a chance to kind of think about what's being asked and to answer the question out loud too. So I'm not going to obviously watch the whole video. That'll be for you guys to kind of like play around with later. When they are finished with that video, they're going to go into their workbook and work on the lesson I have assigned to. So for example, they're watching the video of 15-2. They're then going to go into their Pearson workbook. Grab mine out for you guys. Where I put it? Oh, it's under my laptop. So you're then going to pull out your Pearson workbook, and then from there you're going to do the lesson at top. So for example, this one says 15-6. Then they would be working on that, but in this case it's 15-2. So once they've completed the video and then the workbook pages, they're going to go to the digital quick check. And like I said, the digital quick check is about 5 questions that I'll be asking. And this is an example of what one of them looks like. It's going to actually read it to them, so that's really nice too, just in case your child struggles with the reading part. They're going to choose an answer and then go to the next question, and so on and so forth. They can actually skip around to the next question. I'm going to just go to question number 5. And then once they have finished all that, they're going to be able to submit the test. Make sure that your child is checking that they've answered all the questions. So in this case, obviously, I didn't answer any of the questions for my student, so you're going to see not answered. After that, they need to make sure it's submitted, so then I can see that everything had been submitted and that it's not in progress. So obviously, this one was not completed. So it's right now in the in progress stage. So in order for your child to get credit, it needs to be in the completed box stage. So that's pretty much what they need to do for assignments that I will be doing. You're also going to see tests on there. Another thing for an at-home strategy tool for all of you guys is if you go back to the Pearson Realize, you can go ahead and click browse right here. And browsing lets you guys view all of the lessons that we have in 2nd grade. So right now we're currently working on topic 15, which is measuring lengths. If you go here, you're able to give your child additional support. So there is a full unit open video here, vocabulary cards, so new words that they might be learning like inches, centimeters, and all of that. But what you can do is if you click on a lesson that we're working on, you're gonna see additional lessons right here. So there's multiple reasons why you might want to use this. Maybe your child is struggling and they need additional help. So you might want to assign, pull up the practice page and let them work on that. Maybe your child just finished early and then you want to give them additional work. You can assign any of those for them personally. If your child is on the advanced side and they need to be challenged a little more, the enrichment is a really good strategy, actually a really good tool for them to kind of advance their thinking. So just an example of what it looks like, if you want to give your child additional practice, go ahead and click on that. You can actually download and print this. So in the top right corner, there'll be a download button and it opens up the page. Obviously mine's gonna be down here. If you pull up that page, you can print it at home. So whether you want to print it for your child or just have them work on it in their notebook, I'll leave that completely up to you and your discretion. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about math in the Pearson's website. Feel free to browse around and learn a little bit more about it. All right, thanks.